Here on the waters of Lake Washington in Kirkland, you can find Carillon Kitchen. As a grab-and-go restaurant for the Woodmark Hotel, this hidden gem has healthy, fresh, local food ready for the taking.
It's very casual, but very clean and fresh.
Carillon Kitchen is the best place for the morning and for lunches.
It's very quick, fast-paced.
Executive Chef Brian Doherty has designed the menu for patrons to be able to stop in and get high-quality food on the go.
People can come, grab a sandwich, they can grab a drink or a beverage or champagne or a bottle of wine, sit down and relax and have a good time.
Carillon Point overlooks Seattle and Lake Washington.
This oftentimes is the first place I recommend.
It's just gorgeous.
Why are, locally grown, Washington-grown ingredients important to you as a chef?
Well, I've traveled all around the United States and it always draws me back here, just the plethora of beautiful ingredients that we have here, from the seafood to the morels to the mushrooms, and I get excited for each change in season, just to see what new flavors that we can come about.
Yeah.
They know everybody now who comes in. They see us and I never have to go up and order. They have it ready by the time I get to the cash register.
Everything comes out great. I haven't had a bad meal here.
They just put a lot of heart into their food, you can tell that.